Hey guys, so today's beautification day. I'm gonna go to the salon. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair though. I thought of just coloring it dark brown, but I saw some pictures of platinum blonde, which I'm really drawn to. But since I work in an office, I don't think I can go for that. Salon day today, and then Grace hooked me up for some makeover at Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Charlotte Tilbury's quite new here in Dubai. They said it's a good brand. I think she's a celebrity makeup artist. I think I'm late for my appointment, so I'm gonna drop this and I'll see you guys at the salon. They're gonna test my hair.
Tingnan natin kung gaano ka-strong.
Yeah, because I'm quite reluctant because the last time my hair broke. I want to make sure it doesn't break this time.
I'm bored with this medicine. Walking around just talking my shit. Conversation based around just sex. Words at the tip of my tongue. Oh, baby, I'm bored with this medicine. Tell me one thing.
They just bleached my hair, and yeah, this is what it looks like when your hair gets bleached. It turns to orange, kind of yellow. This is the final color. It's not as light yet because they just did one bleaching, but probably next month when I come back. I even have a gift from Seveline. Oh, it's your 4th year anniversary. Aww. Sweet. Thanks, Seveline Beauty. Oh, what do we have here? Ah, mask. And wait, oh. And oh my gosh, gray shampoo. Illuminating shampoo. Thanks guys. I like it. Okay, so this is the final hair. Okay, I'm done here at the salon. I'm gonna go now to Dubai Mall. Okay, I made it to Dubai Mall. I was supposed to be here at 3, but yeah, Grace had to move my appointment to 4 o'clock because yeah, my hair wasn't finished yet. There's Gracie. Hi. But she's not gonna do my makeup.
Oh, I'm sorry. Next time.
Next time.
You're gonna be amazing, Nicole, instead.
Yeah.
Which is gonna be amazing.
Great. There's Nicole. She's gonna do my makeover.
So what do you want to do today? Have you thought of anything?
Is there a specific Charlotte Tilbury look?
Yeah. So with Charlotte, she's all about glowing skin, like soft eyebrows, really blended.
Okay.
Really kind of soft, romantic, like a really nice wearable makeup.
Okay.
So this is what we'll do today.
Okay.
So for you, I'm thinking something like, do you like warm tones?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll do some warm tones.
They have 10 looks.
This is the one that I'm going to use on you, the Bronze Beauty.
The Bronze Beauty. Oh, I
And
love
the
that.
reason for this, these colours are going to look amazing on you. This is the look I'm going to go for.
Alright.
This is your Bronze Beauty eye palette. With your 4 shades and a little bit of sparkle.
Yeah.
Amazing warm blusher, like warm toned peachy blush.
Yeah.
And then nice, this is like our best selling, one of our best selling lipsticks, Stone Rose.
Oh.
And our best selling lip liner, Pillow Top, what we are famous for. Okay, so this is the look we're going to go for.
Alright. What does that do?
Now,
why is it a magic cream?
So magic. So this is, as I said, how Charlotte's brand began.
Yeah.
So Charlotte actually made this in her grandmother's kitchen. All natural products, all plant-based, all really soft, really natural. And she used to give it to her supermodels backstage when she used to do fashion shows. She used to be like, here, have this. Let's try this on, and she does not do makeup without this cream, and she never has done.
Oh, wow.
So she gave it to all her celebrity clients,
And
all
they
her,
loved
like, big names and showbiz, and they all came back and was like, what is this magic cream? I need this cream. So this is how it started.
And that's
So
how the name came
cream,
about.
Yes, and it is genuinely magic when you see what it does.
You can have it, but stay woke.
ultimate prep products. She's a bronze beauty.
Thank you so much. I love it. I love the lipstick.
I love the sparkle in your eyes when you close your eyes.
Yes. I don't know if you guys can see.
Yeah, you can.
But yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.